Alright, I suck at YouTube, so it's been like 2 weeks instead of a week, like I said, but we're in the new vehicle, and a lot of you might be able to tell just from what's behind me what it is. So I shot a couple of videos of it last weekend, so I'll put that in right now, and you'll know what it is then. Alright, as you guys can see, we got a Wrangler. I've been looking for one for a long time, and you know, came across this one. It was great price. Everything was, you know, what I wanted. It's got a 4-inch, I believe, Pro Comp lift, 35s, Pro Comp. He said hi. Anyway, it has a lot of what I would do to a Jeep already done. I did do 2 things so far to it, and I didn't film any of it because I just haven't felt like picking up a camera. I put a hitch on it because it didn't have one, and this sun visor thing. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. The top of it actually has an American flag on it, but from here you can't see the flag. But anyways, there's, like I said, there's some other things that I want to do to this. Bumpers, definitely, has stock bumpers on it, and you know, a few other little odds and ends. But on the inside, we've already got the Insane Audio head unit, which, if you guys don't know, this thing is freaking phenomenal, and it basically works like a phone, like legit like a phone. I can download apps, all kinds of stuff for it. But yeah, there's not really anything else done to the inside, which is fine. I mean, I have wild boar grab handles, but that's about it on the inside. A few other things that I'd like to do on the inside too, which you guys see in later videos, maybe, if I film it, because like I said, I haven't been filming. I also did I did the brakes on the Audi and didn't film any of that either. So anyways, we're at this really cool spot right now, but the weeds are kind of high, and I don't really feel like getting any ticks to film, but this out. It's a pretty cool spot. A lot of people that are from around where I live know exactly where I am. But I might go to there's another spot over here that's pretty cool too. I might go over there and film a little bit, but yeah, stand by. Alright, so we're at another pretty cool spot. Me and my wife actually got some pictures with my motorcycle taken here, and they turned out really good. But yeah, here just watch the video, I guess. This was the one and only stipulation to me getting a Jeep. I had to get an automatic so my wife could drive it. But that's okay, because we still have the Audi. Alright, so this video is probably really short, but that's alright. Anyways, if you guys like the Jeep, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I look forward to making more videos on it, because I definitely want to take that thing to Roush Creek a time or two, And there's some more things that I'm going to do to it. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next one.